Jason Derulo demanded the lawsuit brought by a singer accusing him of sexual harassment be thrown out of court. According to court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, Derulo and Atlantic Records are fighting back against the claims brought by Amaza Gibson. As RadarOnline.com previously reported, in October 2023, Derulo and the record label were dragged to court by Gibson for alleged quid pro quo sexual harassment. Her lawsuit demanded unspecified damages for the alleged sexual harassment, retaliation, breach of contract, a failure to remedy workplace harassment, and violation of California's Civil Rights Act. In her complaint, Gibson claimed Derulo reached out to her in August 2021 to offer her a record contact with his music imprint, Future History, and Atlantic Records. Gibson said at their first meeting in September 2021, Derulo allegedly provided her with inappropriately large amounts of alcohol. "I told him that I wasn't a drinker, so it's like, you're not listening to that the first time I tell you, and you're still pushing on me," Gibson told NBC News. "It's like pressure at this point." In her lawsuit, she claimed while working with Derulo he often asked her to have dinner alone. She said she refused many advances by Derulo, who eventually cut off communication and terminated her record deal. Gibson believed her record deal was cancelled because she didn't sleep with Derulo. She said the entire ordeal has caused her to suffer post-traumatic stress disorder. Now, in Derulo and Atlantic Records' newly filed response, the defendants argue Gibson failed to show any evidence Derulo ever harassed her or that he conditioned anything sexual on her advancing her career. In addition, they said, the allegations do not show that Mr. Derulo ever threatened or intimidated plaintiff based on her gender. Their motion argued, it is telling that there are no allegations that Mr. Derulo ever requested in plain language, or by using any phrase that in face means, that plaintiff engage in a sexual or romantic relationship with him. Further, Derulo's lawyer said Gibson's lawsuit does not allege Derulo ever touched her inappropriately. He said the incidents described in the complaint do not amount to harassment under the law. As a result, Derulo asked that the claims be dismissed and Gibson not be allowed to amend her lawsuit.